The MILESEEY TR256E thermal imager is a cutting-edge thermal imaging camera designed for a wide range of applications, including repair work, PCB analysis, and pipeline detection. Featuring a high-resolution infrared sensor with 256 by 192 pixels, it provides users with a clear and detailed view of thermal data, making it an indispensable tool for accurate temperature measurements and thermal analysis. This device combines infrared imaging with visible light fusion, allowing for mixed data operation that enhances clarity and precision. The MILESEEY TR256E boasts a measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to +550 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various professional scenarios. Its ergonomic design ensures simple and easy one-hand operation, which is especially useful for tasks requiring mobility or tight working conditions. One of the standout features of this thermal imager is its focus-free 56 by 42 field of view FOV, providing a larger vision for the same distance. This makes it an excellent choice for investigating narrow spaces efficiently, as it captures a wider thermal landscape without requiring manual adjustments. The high-accuracy detection ensures reliable results, which are crucial for tasks that demand precision. To enhance usability, the MILESEEY TR256E offers multiple color palettes, with 7 options available for users to choose from. These palettes improve visibility and analysis, allowing for clearer differentiation of temperature variations based on the user's preference and the application at hand. Whether it's for technical analysis or quick diagnostics, this feature makes the device adaptable to diverse environments and needs.